In this video, we're going to review the 4 different types of sentences. So you can see right on my screen, we have the 4 different types. You'll need to have your writing journal out, pencil, and also your practice companion book, and turn to page 87. You'll do that a little bit later on in the video. So 4 different types of sentences. First of all, declarative, as you remember, does end in a period. It is a statement sentence. An imperative ends in a period and gives a command. Interrogative is a question sentence and will also end with a question mark. An exclamatory ends in an exclamation point and also shows strong feeling. Now what I want you to do is turn your practice companion books to page 87, and let's take a look at that worksheet on page 87. So what you'll need to do is reorder the words to form complete sentences. You'll need to write the kind of sentence it is and then rewrite each sentence, adding capital letters and also end punctuation. Okay, so let's take a look at this first one. Number 1, it says, "You ever thought having learned how to cook about?" So those words are all jumbled and scrambled, and jumbled is a new word that's jumbled and scrambled together, by the way. And so what you can see here is what I did is I unscrambled the words, and it's "Have you ever thought about learning how to cook?" Put the question mark there and also named it the interrogative sentence. Okay, so what I want you to do is numbers 2 through 6 all by yourself. When you're finished, you can press play and I'll have the answers for you. So pause the video now. Okay, so here are the answers for 2 through 6. First of all, make a list of the students from Bayview Elementary School who want to visit the cooking class. That ends in a period, and it's an imperative sentence. It's giving a command and ends in a period. Number 3, did Mr. Suarez study cooking in New York City? Interrogative sentence, and you can see it ends in a question mark. Number 4, it's a declarative. It's just making a statement. Preparing your own meal is fun and rewarding. Number 5, go online and research new recipes. That's an imperative. It's given a command and ends in a period. And then finally, number 6, exclamatory. This is so much fun, ends in an exclamation mark. Therefore, we know it's an exclamatory sentence. Now, along with the different types of sentences and what they look like, we can even take a look at how they could be used. So an interrogative sentence can add suspense and a mystery. It also can add suspense when you begin an opening sentence for whatever type of writing that you are writing. So instead of just saying, "I went to Disney World," you may say a question such as, "Do you know what place has a world-famous mouse?" Something along those lines to add a little bit more suspense to the beginning. So an imperative sentence can make instructions clear in a manual. Declarative sentence works best to present an informational essay and also information in an essay. An exclamatory sentence can add excitement to fiction. So those are just some different ways that these kinds of sentences can be used in your everyday writing. So this concludes the video on the 4 different types of sentences. If you have any questions about this concept, please come and see me.